I found it. God damn. Shit. Is that going in there or not?
Yeah, just a tad bit more. You got it.
Keep screwing.
Videotaping my mama.
You're what? Oh, dude.
Damn it, Tony.
Come on, Mama, just finish screwing.
Shouldn't you be doing that behind closed doors? Not in front of your daughters. Screw, woman.
That's the one where I busted my ass and door. God dang, that's a bright light.
Stop looking at screw.
Shit, I can't even see the screw. What? What are you saying?
Sit down.
You ain't got an ass, woman. Don't try to do that.
I can't see.
Stick it in and screw it.
I gotta find it first.
You broke it.
Tony, quit.
She broke it.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, she fixed it. Oh, and she broke it again. Look at her.
Ooh.
Oh, you ain't supposed to break it.
She getting all them spider webs and that shit out of there now. I hear it.
Getting it.
Yeah,
It's a
popping.
creaking. Did you get it?
Hell no.
Why did you screw it way down there anyways? You're supposed to screw it up there.
Because I thought that's where it went.
No. Now you gotta unscrew it, screw it up there.
I'll be damned, that motherfucker's up there. You seen his face?
Yeah, I see his face.
Okay. Got her light in my face.
You can't see now? No way.
No, I need this small.
You gonna screw some more tomorrow? You tired?
Yeah, I'm wore out. I'm just glad I'm wore out.
I see, you about to fall down.
It ain't me, it's the damn floor off mount.
Oh, yeah, I say that too. A little bit.
Yeah, and who's the one that laid the floor?
I'm not done.
She ain't doing it.
I gotta get it.
That's what the screws are for, she's screwing with, not the ceiling. It's the floor.
On the floor, not the ceiling.
But she's tripping on the ceiling.
I'm not lying, I am.
Just sit down, crazy person.
Just say no, damn it. Leave the crack alone.
Right?
Okay.
What the hell? That looked like a damn dildo.
Mama, don't. Dumbass.
Yeah, go for it. Go for it. You fall on my lap.
Oh my God. She's seriously, Cassie, you better go catch her.
I am not. Oh, stupid
Your
ass.
biggest one here, go catch her. She gonna hurt me.
I'm a little flag.
She gonna piss on herself.
Well, I farted. I laughed and farted at the same time. I can't do two things at once.
Oh my God, it's multitasker.
Oh, wait, it's supposed to be three because I'm supposed to.
You shit. You didn't fart. You shit. You stink.
How do you smell it when I don't?
Trust me.
Did you clean up that dog shit?